Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Etsy. Etsy is an e-commerce platform that specializes in handmade or vintage items and supplies, as well as unique factory manufactured items. It was founded in 2005 and has since grown into a global online marketplace connecting buyers and sellers from all over the world. Etsy allows artisans, designers, and creators to sell their products online and reach a wide audience while offering buyers a unique shopping experience with a variety of unique, one of a kind items. Etsy is a platform that emphasizes creativity, sustainability, and community, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses looking to sell or purchase unique and special items. Etsy has been operating in India since 2017. The company has established partnerships with several organizations in the country to support the growth of the handmade and vintage market in India. Etsy has also set up a local team to help Indian sellers better understand the platform, provide support and advice, and assist with the shipping and payment issues. Etsy's entry into the Indian market is a part of its global expansion strategy, which aims to make it easier for people to buy and sell homemade and vintage items worldwide. By establishing a presence in India, Etsy aims to tap into the country's rich culture and tradition of handcrafts, textiles, and handmade goods and provide a platform for Indian artisans and designers to showcase and sell their work to a global audience. Etsy's launch in India has been well received, with many local sellers seeing it as an opportunity to reach a larger audience and grow their business. The platform continues to evolve and expand in India and is seen as a valuable resource for buyers and sellers alike. Now let's see how we register on Etsy in India. It is a simple and straightforward process. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Go to the Etsy website. Visit etsy.com and click on the sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Create an account. Click on the register button to create a new account, and you will need to provide your email address and a password and agree to Etsy's terms and conditions. Step 3. Verify your email. Check your email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Step 4. Complete your profile. Once you verified your email, complete your Etsy profile by adding your name, profile picture, and location. Step 5. Start selling. Once you've set up your profile, you're ready to start selling on Etsy. To list your first item, click on the Sell on Etsy button and follow the prompts to create your listings. Just to keep in mind, to sell on Etsy in India, you will need to provide some additional information, including your PAN card number and bank account information, to verify your identity and set up a payment processing. The information is required to comply with Indian laws and regulations for online commerce. And that's it. You are now ready to start selling on Etsy in India. Like any platform, Etsy has its own sets of pros and cons for sellers in India. Here are some of the main benefits and challenges. The pros being: number 1, global reach. Etsy provides Indian sellers with access to a vast and diverse audience from around the world, helping them to expand their customer base beyond the local market. Number 2, support and resources. Etsy offers a wealth of resources for Indian sellers, including online tutorials, forums, and a dedicated seller handbook. The company also has a local team in India that provides support and advice to help sellers succeed on the platform. Number 3, unique shopping experience. Etsy provides a unique shopping experience for buyers with a focus on handmade, vintage, and one-of-a-kind items. This offers Indian sellers the opportunity to showcase their creativity and offer customers something truly unique and special. Number 4, convenient payment and shipping options. Etsy provides convenient payment and shipping options for Indian sellers, making it easy for them to sell and ship items to customers around the world. The platform also offers a secure and reliable payment system to protect both buyers and sellers. Now, let's take a look at the cons. Number 1, competition. Etsy has a large and growing number of sellers, which can make it challenging for Indian sellers to stand out and attract customers. This requires Indian sellers to put an extra effort in creating effective listings and building their brand on the platform. Number 2, fees. Etsy charges fees for using the platform, including listing fees and a transaction fee for each sale. These fees can add up and reduce the profitability of selling on the platform, especially for small or micro businesses. Number 3, shipping challenges. Shipping items from India to other countries can be complex and challenging, especially for small or micro businesses. Indian sellers may need to invest in shipping resources and expertise to succeed on Etsy. Overall, selling on Etsy in India offers Indian sellers the opportunity to reach a global audience, showcasing their creativity and growing their business. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges, including competition, fees, and shipping issues. Indian sellers need to weigh the pros and cons and carefully determine if Etsy is the right platform for their business. But starting a shop on Etsy provides Indian sellers with the opportunity to grow their businesses and reach a global audience and to tap into the growing demand for handmade and vintage items. With the support and resources provided by Etsy, Indian sellers can succeed on the platform and build a successful business. So, if you're an Indian artisan, designer, or seller, take the leap and start selling on Etsy today. If you guys have liked this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.